Posting daily on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn sounds amazing until it comes with hours of editing, researching, writing, and scripting. Hi everyone, I'm Tanushka Lalwani and I help businesses save 10 to 30 plus hours every week and 5x their revenue using smart AI automation systems. In this video, I'm going to give you my free content automation blueprint which you can import directly into make.com and start using it. You can use this system to create LinkedIn post, Instagram post, and even create your AI avatar and clone your voice and directly post it to YouTube and send it directly to your editor. So let's quickly start with seeing how this system works. So our first step is to create our account on make.com. If you haven't created any of these automations, if you haven't created any of the automations earlier. Now what you need to do is I'll put the link in the description of this free blueprint. You can just click on that link and download it from there. And now you need to come up on your make.com dashboard and you'll see something like this. Now you need to click on scenarios and here you will have all your scenarios which you created. You need to click on create a new scenario and this is going to be the place where you are going to import. This is going to be the place where you are going to import the blueprint that you just downloaded. So you will have this three dots option right here, and now you need to click on import blueprint and you need to choose the file which you just downloaded and we are good to go. Our automation was successfully imported. So why we did this is because if we try to join each of these modules, that if we try to do that, it is going to take unnecessary time. So there is no need to do that. You can just simply have this template and you can just import it here. Now I'm going to break it down each of these steps. Why are we using this particular step or why are we using this particular module? So the first step is our Google Sheets. So what we are basically doing is we are going to put in the URL of the video that we have as in reference, and then we are going to put that video into our Google Sheet, the link of that video, and then this particular node, which is dumpling AI, it is going to transcribe the entire video. Now once you have the recording of this entire video, you can just push it into ChatGPT and it is going to generate new content ideas or content ideas on the basis of this transcript that you have. So now the first step was Google Sheet, we got that link, and then the next is dumpling, which is basically to transcribe the YouTube videos and get that data. And then we have three routes, which is number one for Instagram, second for LinkedIn, and third for YouTube. Now the content that we usually post on these three platforms are completely different. On Instagram we post into 9 is to 16 ratio, and on LinkedIn it is just the post that we create or the post that we write or the article that we write, and on YouTube we create long form videos, etc. So these three contents are completely different and thus we have created these three different routes. So for the Instagram part, we are using OpenAI to create the content and write the script. And then what we are actually doing is we are using an image generation model which is again from OpenAI, and then this is going to create the image, and then we are going to have that and then we are going to have that image along with the text caption posted on our Instagram account. The second route that we have here is LinkedIn. So what we are actually doing here is we are going to get in the transcription, we are going to create a complete script of this where we are going to create a content idea, and this particular chat GPT node is going to create a LinkedIn post which is going to be tailored for that platform according to the word limit, the type of post that this platform actually pushes, etc, etc. And then once we have that LinkedIn post, we have LinkedIn account connected here. This created article will directly be posted to LinkedIn, and this is the most amazing part about this whole automation, which is the Heygen avatar and posting it directly to YouTube. So what Heygen does is you can create your own AI avatar. You just put one video of yours in 9 is to 16 ratio and 16 is to 9 ratio for both Instagram and YouTube, and then Heygen clones your avatar, clones your voice, and now the next time that you want to create any video, you just simply type in the script and you are going to have that video in front of you with lip syncing, with proper captions, everything. So HeyGen makes everything much more easier. The last step that we've added is HeyGen, and then ChatGPT will think, reason, and then create a script which is for a platform like YouTube and Instagram, and then it is going to post on HeyGen. And then we have two other nodes, which is 5 minutes wait and 3 minutes wait. So since this video creation is going to take some time, that is the reason that we've added 5-minute wait and 3-minute wait. Again, it's going to get that video using HeyGen, and finally you are going to get that video file. Now, after you get that video file, you get that AI avatar video, then you have two options. Either you use ChatGPT once again to write the title, description, hashtags of your YouTube video and post it directly. And the second option, which I would definitely suggest, is you can just simply upload this video to Google Drive and you can mail this to your editor so that we can get those final changes that we want. You can add in the captions, you can add in transitions, you can even add b-rolls, but the basic video of you talking and lip syncing, everything will be there. So that is pretty much about the whole automation and how this is going to work. Now, what you need to have is these 3 to 5 connections in place. Firstly, you need API keys of OpenAI, and next is you need dumpling API keys. For the other platforms, which is LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube, you can just simply sign up with your Google account, but for dumpling and OpenAI, you are going to require API keys. So I've already created my OpenAI account, so I'm going to just simply copy paste my API key and this account will be connected. So going to just show you how this is. So I'm going to show you how I connect this. I need to click on choose an account and my OpenAI connection because I've already installed it for my previous automations. And now the model that we have is Dolly 3, which is going to create an image based on the text which was generated by the previous node. And then we are going to click on save. And now for all the GPT modules, we are going to choose our account and then we go. And we have a system, and then we have system prompt for each of these, like create a short Instagram caption for this YouTube transcript, pull out a problem, a fact, a benefit, a tone should be like you are having a thought about that idea and you're just writing out what you are thinking. Don't use hashtags and also no emojis. Keep it short and concise. So this is the prompt that we have for creating Instagram post caption. And then the same way we have for LinkedIn. Let's see. Let's first create our connection and then we have GPT 3.5 Turbo, and then we have make a short LinkedIn post from this YouTube transcript, pull out a problem, a fact, benefit, the tone should be like you are having a thought. So basically a simple prompt that we have for these three modules, for LinkedIn, for Instagram, and for YouTube. And since we have OpenAI connection already there in place, the next thing that we need to make sure is we have dumpling AI connections. And for that, you need to create dumpling AI API keys. So I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. For this, you need to come to this website called as dumpling.ai. Now this is your dashboard. So when you sign up, you have 250 credits that you can use in your free account. And you need to click on create your first API key and you need to name it. I'll click on make and then I'll click on create key. You have copied this API key from here, and then I'm going to come back to this automation that we have here. Then I'm going to click on dumpling and then click on create a connection, and here you are going to put that API key that you've just generated, and we are just going to paste it here and click on save. And now your dumpling account is also connected. Now we are having the YouTube video URL here, then we are having the timestamps, and then we have preferred language. The next step is to create a Google Sheet. The Google Sheet is pretty simple. Create one simple column and name it as URL. So the URL of the video of whose transcript that you want. Okay, and spreadsheet ID, choose the name of your spreadsheet one, and then you need to click on save. We have our dumpling account connected. We have Google Sheets account account connected, and then we have our OpenAI account also connected. Now, before we move on to this, I need to tell you one very important point which people actually forget. Now, here's the problem that you are going to face. Platforms literally track everything you do online, and some content is even blocked depending on your location. And if you are handling multiple client accounts like I do, this literally becomes your nightmare. This is exactly why I use GoLogin, and it is a complete game changer. Think of it like a smart, invisible browser that is built for creators and businesses like us. With GoLogin, you can literally open any site, no matter where you are. You can stay fully private and avoid all the trackers. You can even manage multiple LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, etc. multiple accounts without logging in and logging out. And you can even share accounts with your teams securely, no more risky passwords sharing. This is one of the big problems that businesses faced, and GoLogin literally solved this. And the best part, no bans, no fingerprints, and you get 2 GB of free residential proxies when you sign up for your fast and secure connections. Now, because I use GoLogin, I can multiple accounts safely and securely. And if you also want to do the same, use my code Tanishka50 along with the link in the description to sign up for completely free and have 2 GB of residential proxies and unlock more amazing features. Now, let's move on to building the rest of the system. I have this Google Sheet in front of me in which I've added the URL of my video, which was about the lead generation automation, and now I am going to see how this system works. Before that, I'm going to, add all these accounts and create a connection if I haven't. And for Instagram, you need to connect it with Facebook first, and then you can list in the Instagram page in this particular option. So I already have my connection. So I have this page here right in front of me. Then I have the data, and then I have result, and then we have location. So let it be like this. So I'm going to click on choose an account, and then I have my connection here, and the content is the result generated using ChatGPT module just before this module. And then this is the automation that I have completely ready in front of me. Now I'm going to run the system. It's just that I'm going to unpair the third part, which is Hagen, because it's going to take more time. And one thing I want to make it very clear is that if you're using Hagen, you need to pay something, because you need to pay and use an upgraded model. Because if you're trying to use free one, you can just get 3 videos for free, and the lip syncing is not also accurate, and the videos that you get look more AI generated videos, so it doesn't look natural. The voice doesn't suit exactly what you're saying, and lip syncing is not also not properly done. So I suggest, if you truly want to do it and grow your business, then make sure you use the Hagen account as well. So I'm going to just unpair the now I'm just going to just unpair this, and rest of the part is going to be the same. So I'm unlinking this, and now I'm going to run it with two modules, which is for Instagram and the next is for LinkedIn. So let's quickly see what we get. Let this automation work. So it's going to dumpling, it's transcribing the video, and let's wait for some time. And now the LinkedIn post is already generated. It has written the Instagram content. It is generating the image right now, and let's see what is the error. It's fine. Click on this. But then we'll first look at the LinkedIn post that it has generated. I'm going to click on this. Now, here we have it. Excited to share a game changing lead generation automation system I built using AI. In less than 2 minutes, I generated 200 plus leads effortlessly. No manual searching required. This system is a game changer in 2025. Check out the video for more details. And this is the content that it has posted on my LinkedIn account. Now let's quickly go to my LinkedIn account and see what we get. So you must also go to my LinkedIn page and follow, because I share all these amazing insights. Because I share those amazing insights about AI automation on my LinkedIn page. So now let's quickly see what it has done on our LinkedIn account. I'll scroll a bit down and see where it has posted. So this is the post that it has created, which is excited to share a game changing lead generation automation system I built using AI. In less than 2 minutes, I generated 200 plus leads effectively, no manual searching required. This system is a game changer for 2025. Check out the video for more details. And you can even click on attachment and put in the link of your video, and that is how you can run this sort of system and post on LinkedIn. Now let's rerun it after unlinking this and just running in the Instagram module. So we'll click on run once, and now finally our system worked and it posted on Instagram. Let's see where it has posted. So, and just look at the post that it has generated. So AI automation 200, basically this we have the caption here is never search for leads manually again, build an AI automation system for 200 plus leads in less than 2 minutes. So this is the image that we have. We can always improve it with better prompts, with better systems. But yeah, with this simple two modules, we have this post, and it is also showing the automation and then lead generation, AI automation within 2 minutes, etc. etc. So we have this automation in front of us. We have posts generated, we have LinkedIn post generated, we have Instagram post generated, and if we have the premium, then we can also get AI video avatar. So so we just used one simple system to do that, and we have the result in front of us. It is literally next level. And there you go. So that's it. Your content agent is live, posting on LinkedIn, Instagram, and many more on complete autopilot. I've dropped the free blueprint link in the description, then and you can set up this automation and run this in minutes. And thanks to GoLogin that you can now do it safely and securely without losing your accounts and without facing restrictions. Use my code Tanishka50 along with the link in the description to access GoLogin's amazing features. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we are moving a step ahead, not just posting but also engaging with your audience, replying on comments, creating magnets, and even more. So imagine scaling content and conversations while you sleep. These systems work for you 24/7. So if you truly want to have the power of automation and scaling with it, hit the subscribe button and drop in comments if you truly enjoyed it. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.